Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Val, and today I will be introducing something new to the channel. I will be making a notebook with the We Are Memory Keepers cinch. Right now we don't need the cinch, so I'm going to sit it off to the side and bring in the notebook. As I'm sure you already know, I'm new to making YouTube videos, but I'm also a planner. So I decided to make myself a YouTube planner notebook where I can jot down all the ideas that I have for videos to bring to my channel. Here we have the front and back covers of the planner, which I made in Canva. And of course, I personalized them to my liking. The very first page of my planner is the month of January, and behind that I have a few pages that I also made in Canva, and I personalized them to have the video name and the post date. And under that I can just jot down notes and ideas of what I want on each video. So we're going to set the pages to the notebook to the side while we work on the front cover of the notebook. The plan here is to protect the front and back covers of the notebook with the Avery self-adhesive lamination sheets. So I'm going to peel this off and start with the front cover of the notebook. Before adhering the lamination sheet to the cover, I want to brush it off to be sure that there are no dust particles that get caught in between the lamination sheet and the cover, because it will definitely show. The lamination sheet is on, but as you can see, there are some edges that I need to cut off. So I'm gonna grab my True Control knife to remove those edges. So the front cover happened to be way more involved than I thought it would be. And to save you all from having to watch me go through what I went through with the front cover, I cut the lamination sheet off camera to fit the size of the back cover. Okay, so we have finally gotten the front and back covers laminated. Now we need to stabilize them. I'm going to do that using chipboard. I purchased this chipboard from Michaels and it came as a 12 by 12 sheet. I also got this double-sided tape from Michaels, but double-sided tape can be purchased at any craft store. So this paper is going to go onto the chipboard. This will be the inside of the cover. So once you open up the book, this is what will be seen on the back side of the cover. I made both front and back covers with printable sticker paper to make it easier to adhere it to the chipboard. I'll be sure to leave the link to the printable sticker paper down below. What I should not have done is pull the entire backing off. I should have just exposed a little bit of the sticker paper and then take it off slowly. So what I'm doing here is putting it back on so I can work with a little bit at a time. Here is where I noticed that it was slightly off, but you know what? We're gonna go with it because it doesn't look awful. And now the back cover is done as well. I made stickers as well. I designed these in Canva and cut them out with my Cricut. I will do a sticker tutorial one day, but for now, the plan was to put the stickers on the inside cover of the notebook, but I found that to be a bad idea because the back cover is too stiff. So when I want to take out the stickers, I can't bend it good enough to get the stickers out. So I'll show you plan B in a couple seconds. Nope, that was not a good idea. I had to leave that in there so you could hear my thought process. But as you can see, I'm slowly removing the stickers from the back cover and going with plan B. So much of crafting is trial and error, and I find it helpful and important to sometimes leave these moments in the videos. This came off without a hitch, so what I did was grabbed another piece of paper and stuck those stickers onto the paper, and this sheet will go right behind the front cover. Now it's time to bring the cinch back in to assemble the notebook. Here I'm releasing the storage hook and lifting the lever. In the instructions, it explains how you should punch your holes based on the length of your notebook. These pegs here are important, but I will explain them shortly. Because my notebook is 11 inches long, the instructions tell me to pull out peg 10. As I punch the holes, I will let you know when I pull out peg 10. Since you can only punch about 10 sheets at a time, I'm going to grab a few and demonstrate it for you. Push the papers all the way to the back, then push down the lever to punch the first set of holes. Pull the sliding measurement guide out. Then I'm going to make sure the second hole is directly under the alignment peg on the left side. Then push that down to keep the papers from shifting. Here is where I will pull peg 10 toward me, then push down on the lever. Push peg 10 back in and lift the alignment peg on the left side. Now we have evenly spaced holes. Watch me do it one more time. Push papers to the back and pull down the lever. Pull out sliding measurement guide, pull out peg 10 and push down the alignment peg on the left, and push down the lever. All of the papers have been hole punched. Now let's do the covers. Just when you thought we were done with the cinch, we have to use this side to bind the notebook. We start by placing this wire binding on the side of the cinch. Now that we have the wire binding on the cinch, the idea is to get the hooks into the hole. I was struggling here, so I took the wire binding off and put it on just like that, then hooked it back onto the cinch, and it worked flawlessly from here. When attaching the covers, you want to put the front cover on first, face up, then take the back cover and put it on face down. It sounds a little weird, but just trust me for a moment and it'll all come together. We have everything on the wire binding. Now it's time to secure it. We're going to release that storage hook again to open up the cinch. And in the back here is how we are going to secure the wire binding. As you squeeze the lever, it will squeeze down onto the wire binding. Before you push down on the lever, you want to turn this knob here to adjust it based on the size of your wire binding. I'm going to keep mine at 1 inch. So now I'm going to squeeze it together on this side, lift it up and slide it over, and squeeze it again on this side. Because I like to double check that things are secure, I went in and pushed that lever down a few more times. Remember I told you to trust me when I put the back cover face down? Now it looks the way it should. The last thing we have to do is cut off this excess wire binding. Once you clip it, you want to take your wire cutters and bend the part that is exposed so you aren't poked with the sharp edge. My YouTube planner is now done. I can begin writing in it and planning all the videos I want to share with you all in the future. I hope you enjoyed watching this and learned a little something about the cinch. Let me know if you're actually interested in purchasing one now. If you stuck around to the end, I truly appreciate you, and I hope that you will like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think of my new YouTube planner. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.